everyone, this is Revan and welcome to Revan Media. And in this video, I'm going to show you some of the cool new Windows 10 tips and tricks for you guys, including a special God mode for your Windows 10 operating system. When I say cool tips and tricks, I really mean it. I mean, have you ever worried when you saw a bunch of applications open at the same time? What I will do when I see this is just give it a nice shake and boom, all the other applications are hidden. Now that's a cool tip, right? If you enjoyed this tip, then I have 12 more cool tips and tricks, including a special God mode for your Windows 10 operating system. So stay tuned till the end of this video. I can promise you that you will get to know some amazing tips and tricks for your Windows computer. You might have seen the print screen button on your PC or laptop, right? Yes, that's there to take a screenshot of your screen. But what if I want to take a screenshot of to only a part or portion of that screen? Then I won't be able to take a portion of that screen by just using the print screen button. By the way, I never use the print screen button to take a screenshot from my screen. Instead, I use the Windows key plus Shift plus S button. So this gives me a tons of options like rectangular snippet, a freeform snippet, and also if I want to take an entire screenshot, then I can use the full snippet option. Suppose say if I want this portion of the screen to be screenshotted, then I can use a rectangular snippet to capture that portion of the screen. And interesting thing about this feature is I can screenshot only the particular object on the screen using this freeform snippet. This will screenshot only the object that I want, and here you can see only that portion is screenshotted. You don't have to install or download any software or app for this. This will come as standard in all Windows 10 operating system. If you are using Windows 10 operating system, then you should definitely check out this tip. Suppose you are sending an email or writing some script or anything like that, and if you want to insert emojis in the middle, then most people will obviously search for emojis using the browser. Find the emojis that they like and insert them onto their file. This is a pretty long process, right? What about you insert any emojis instantly without going to any websites or browsers? Well, then just hit the Windows key and a dot key. This will open up a whole new emoji panel for you. You can add any sort of emojis to your app instantly. There are many different ways to turn off your computer. The most common ones are going through the Windows plus power button, and you can shut down your computer from here. The other common way people shut down their computer is by long pressing the power button located on the keyboard. Most of us use one of these two methods to turn off the computer. But now I will tell you another cool method to turn off your computer. I can guarantee you that you have never heard of this tip before. In this method, you can slide your windows to turn off your computer. To do that, just right click on the desktop and go to the new and select shortcut. And in this file, you copy and paste this exact code. You can find the exact code in the video description down below. Once you enter the code, click on next and click on finish. Now here you will get a new shortcut, and double click on that shortcut and drag the screen to the bottom to turn off your computer. If your PC or laptop works slowly or your laptop battery is draining quickly, then the main reason can be the number of applications or softwares that are running on the background. Those apps can eat up a lot of your laptop battery. So in Windows, you have the ability to turn off those apps that are running on the background. Most people think their system doesn't support enough applications. But the problem is the number of apps that are running in the background causes your laptop or PC to slow down. So to turn those apps, go to the settings and here select the privacy option and here select the background apps. So here you can toggle this switch off to turn off all the apps that are running on the background. If you want to turn on any specific applications, then you can turn on that specific application. This way, you will save a lot of battery power. At the same time, your system will work much faster than before. When you want to save busy schedules or want to mark events, then you can save the events you like without even opening the Google Calendar. In all Windows 10 operating system, you will get a built-in calendar set up on your computer. So just click on that date and time which is located at the bottom right corner of your taskbar, and here you can see a calendar, and here you can select the date that you want to save an event and add an event name. And this will send the reminder directly to your PC or laptop during that particular time. This is one of my favorite features on this list, where you can convert your speech into text. Sometimes my fingers will get too tired by constantly writing something on my computer. When I am writing some articles for my website or preparing for a script, it's hard to write faster and longer. So it's always a better option to have when your words turn into text. If you are tired of constantly typing on your computer, then you can turn on this dictating feature on your Windows 10. Just hit Windows plus H, and now you can convert what you say into text. Please like this video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. This will not convert all your words with 100% accuracy, but 90% of the job will be done by this feature. So this feature will save you tons of time on typing. If you have a bunch of applications opened on your computer and worried about hiding on all those applications one by one, then I have a cool tip for you. Just left click and select the application you want to use and just give it a nice shake using your mouse from right to left. And this will automatically hide all the applications except one that you selected. And if you want all the applications to be back, then give it a shake again and boom, all the other applications are back. This tip will definitely be going to help those who love to play games on their PC or laptop. If you are using any sort of third-party apps or software to screen record your videos while playing games, then you never heard of Windows Game Bar. If you press the Windows plus G key on your Windows 10 PC, and this will open up a game bar where you can screen record your games. Also, you can capture snippets, and also you can open Xbox chat list where you can chat with your friends online. If you are worried about viruses and harmful threats that destroy your computer, then you don't have to worry if you have a Windows 10 operating system. Windows offers you a special Windows security option, including a ransomware protection to your Windows 10 computer. So, to enable this feature, go to the search bar and search for Windows Security. You will find a Windows Security options at the top. And once you select this, here you can see all the protection that was included for your Windows 10 computer. On the sidebar, select Virus and Threat Protection, and here you can do a quick scan of your PC to check if any viruses are there on your computer. If you set up a OneDrive account, and you will be protected against any ransomware attacks. If you are bored of using the same mouse cursor on your computer, then you have an option to change the mouse cursor. Just go to the settings and ease of access, and here select the mouse pointer. And now here you can select the mouse pointer of your choice. Also, you can change the size and color of the mouse pointer. There is one easy way to open your recently opened applications on your computer. If you have pinned the applications on the taskbar, just right click on the application that you want to use, and here you can see the list of files that you opened recently. So you don't have to search that particular files in the folders. Instead, use this method to open a recent files. So here is the last tip for your Windows 10 operating system that we all been waiting for. Yes, it's a God mode. God mode is something where you can access all the settings and features in one folder. To enable God mode, right click on the desktop and click on New and select Folder. So name a folder with this letter shown on the screen, or you can find the same text on the video description down below. You can copy and paste the exact text in this folder. So as soon as you enter this text, your folder will change to this icon. And open this file, and here you will get access to all the settings and features on this one folder. That's why it's called a God mode, which controls almost all the settings of your computer. So these are the 12 cool new Windows 10 tips and tricks for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, then don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.